Hello and welcome to CodeComets. In this video, we'll be creating a QR code generator using Python. Before we get started, there are a few things you'll need to have installed on your computer. First, you'll need to have Python and pip installed. If you don't already have them, you can download them from the official Python website. Next, we'll be using a library called qcode to generate the QR codes, so you'll need to install that as well. To do that, simply open up your terminal or command prompt and type in pip install qcode. Some computers also need image module, so make sure to install that too. First, we need to import the qcode library that we just installed. To do that, we'll add the line import qcode at the top of our file. This line of code is importing the qcode library that we will be using to generate the QR code. Next, we'll create an instance of the QR code class. This is where we can specify the size and other properties of our QR code. For this example, I'll be using the default settings, but feel free to play around with the parameters to see what works best for you. Now we can add the data that we want to be encoded in the QR code. This can be a website, a phone number, or any other text you'd like. For this example, I'll be using text. This line of code is adding the data that we want to be encoded in the QR code. Once we've added the data, we can create the QR code image by calling the make_image function. This will return an image object that we can save to a file. I like to use PNG format, but you can also use JPEG or GIF. And that's it. We've successfully created a QR code generator using Python. You can test it by running the script and scanning the generated QR code with your phone camera. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials and tips.